5 amazing health benefits of spicy foods. They say that variety is the spice of life, and that couldn't be more true when you look at, well, spice. Can you handle the heat? In addition to the super hot taste we associate with chili peppers, other types of spice include garlic, turmeric, cumin, ginger, and even cinnamon. If you're a big fan of spicy food, then we might just have some good news for you. In addition to kicking your cooking skills up a notch, many different types of spices also contain a wealth of health benefits to boot. Let's take a look at some of the ways eating spicy foods can have a positive impact on our health. Before we move on to the facts, why not spice up your subscriptions by subscribing to Bestie and ringing the notification bell as well? That way you can stay up to date on all of our daily videos and content. Number 1. Spicy food can help you lose weight. According to data collected from a number of different studies, certain types of spicy food may be able to give your metabolism a temporary boost, which can in turn assist you with weight loss by burning through calories at a faster rate. According to nutritionist and author Pamela Peeke, the consumption of spicy foods that are rich in capsaicin, such as red peppers, increases your body's temperature and stimulates your body's stores of brown fat. As a result, you can expect to experience your metabolism to be boosted by as much as 5% and an increase in fat burning by as much as 16%. In addition to helping you burn calories and fat at a faster rate, spicy foods can also help with weight loss by slowing down your appetite. Research from Purdue University indicates that eating spicy foods can reduce your appetite and lessen your food cravings, reducing the chance of overeating and snacking on additional calories that you don't need. However, it's worth mentioning that the calorie-burning effects of spicy foods like red peppers seems to be especially strong in people who don't eat spicy foods on a regular basis, which seems to imply that your body can potentially build up a tolerance to spicy foods, as well as the benefits it provides. It's also worth mentioning that the weight loss benefits of red peppers and other spicy foods are not a substitute for a proper diet and exercise, so don't go canceling your gym membership just yet. Number 2. Spicy foods help your heart. In addition to helping you towards a healthier weight, spicy food may also be able to improve your health by preventing the risk of developing heart disease. According to a study published in 2017, certain types of spicy foods, such as chili peppers, were found to greatly reduce the risk factors associated with cardiovascular disease. Other researchers, such as Professor of Cardiovascular Medicine Michael Miller, suggest that certain types of spices such as red pepper and turmeric can help improve your body's circulation by causing your blood vessels to dilate and reduce blood pressure. Additionally, it's also possible that turmeric might be beneficial to your heart's health by lowering your body's levels of LDL cholesterol, otherwise known as bad cholesterol. On a more basic level, research has also indicated that people who enjoy the taste of spicy foods are likely to consume less salt in their daily diet, which can also lead to lower blood pressure as a result. Sounds like this is one type of heartburn we can certainly get behind. Number 3. Spicy food can relieve pain. To anyone who hates the taste of spicy food, this one might sound a little hard to swallow. However, the potential for spicy food to relieve certain sources of pain is actually fairly well documented. It's theorized that foods rich in capsaicin can potentially target a chemical within the brain known as substance P, which plays a role in the pain your body feels from injuries. By targeting this substance, capsaicin is believed to help dull or lessen the pain that these injuries cause. Other studies have also suggested that capsaicin may also be effective at protecting your body against ulcers by eliminating a type of harmful bacteria known as H. pylori. Because of its supposed effectiveness at treating pain, some doctors may even prescribe over-the-counter creams for pain relief that use capsaicin as an active ingredient. Other types of spices known as ginger and garlic are also noteworthy for anti-inflammatory properties, and throughout history have been used for medicinal purposes, such as treating everything from headaches to joint pain and arthritis. Number 4. Spicy food can prevent cancer. In addition to all of the other benefits we've already mentioned so far, the capsaicin found in chili peppers and other types of spicy food may also be effective at fighting off certain varieties of cancer. According to senior healthcare consultant Gregory A. Plotnikoff, this is because capsaicin contains many of the same properties as certain types of drugs used to treat cancer. And as a result, they affect our bodies in similar ways. A UCLA study has also determined that capsaicin was able to successfully limit the growth of cancer cells in mice while preventing any damage to healthy cells. Data collected from studies by Cancer Research UK also demonstrated promising results for the spice turmeric, which in early clinical trials was found to help reduce the rate at which cancer cells grow. However, despite the body of evidence that seems to support certain spices being effective anti-cancer agents, much of these findings are still inconclusive due to contradictory sources. And as such, the actual effectiveness of capsaicin and other spicy foods still remains up for debate in the scientific community. Number 5. Spicy food can help improve your life. According to a study published in 2015 by Harvard and China National Center for Disease Control and Prevention, eating spicy food as part of your regular diet may actually be able to help you live a longer and healthier life. Based on the results of the study, it seems that eating spicy food as often as once per day or even 6 or 7 days a week is enough to reduce the mortality rates by as much as 14%. If that wasn't enough, spicy food might not only extend your life, but also improve the quality of life as well. The consumption of spicy food also boosts your brain's production of certain hormones associated with positive feelings and emotions, such as serotonin. As a result, spicy food may in fact be able to help lessen the negative emotions that come as symptoms of certain mental health afflictions, such as depression and high levels of stress. In other words, integrating spicy food into your everyday meal plan will help you live longer as well as live better. Perhaps more than any other variety of food, it seems like spicy foods causes the widest divides in terms of people who either can't stand it or can't get enough. However, for those of you who always opt for the mild salsa at the grocery store, perhaps these health benefits associated with spicy food will make you feel a little more adventurous in the future, and might even encourage you to spice things up in your everyday diet. After all, no pain, no gain. What's your take on spicy food? Do you always order the spiciest hot wing on the menu, or are you a little more mild-mannered in your daily diet? We'd love to hear your feedback on the topic, so as always, be sure to let us know what you think in the comment section below, and help us keep the conversation going. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.